Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Central Executive Committee Jong United Democratic Party ka balasong ya ka jing alang ha ka khandai tarik unailar arjar khat khandai kala penlong ya ka jing sangap jar bat ka jing Kynmaw Burom ya ka Mynsiem bala Khladnoh Jong President Jong Party u Dr. Donkupar hakani ka jing alang Jong CEC balawan ya shimenta alang degi MLA bat ki MDC Jong Party kila nyau tang yu senyang uben hei bau Dr. Donkupar ulano sha usup uthiar Jong seng bat shakipai ba ka shela constituency ka bau lami khmat lah nyau samoi kenti.
We stood up in silence in observance of the grief in the passing away of Dr. Donkupar on the 28th of July at Medanta Hospital, and we have taken note of the glorious political career of Dr. Don as being the only leader of the state who won consecutively 7 elections to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly from 1988 to 2018. 7 times consecutively without a break he won, and 5 times from the UDP. Before he was from the Independent, and then 5 times from the UDP. And we paid homage and rich tributes to Dr. Don as being a cool person and a charismatic political leader who have immensely contributed for the development of the state and also of his own constituency. The party profusely thanks all friends and well-wishers who visited and helped during this crisis, and we also offer our condolences to the family and others close to Dr. Don, and in particular to the people of Shela constituency who have stood by Dr. Don through thick and thin. So after paying tribute to Dr. Don and his life, his career, his contribution, we stood in silence for some time to pray and to wish the Almighty to provide eternal repose and peace to the soul of Dr. Don.